Hi people of the world, it's me Zion and Jens, and we are going to collab God's country.
Those are really good. Another day, another adventure. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're going camping. What's new?
Who's we?
Me and Zion.
Me and Jens.
That's right. Got the girlfriend with us for this episode once again. No solo tonight. I'm excited. We got a whole day planned out. We're heading into the backside of Zion right now. Then we're gonna be checking out a lake or two. Obviously camping tonight. And I think hitting a hike, maybe. We don't got work tomorrow, neither of us, so we can spend as much time as we want up here. But we're excited because it is way too hot in our hometown right now. It's been over 100, 105 degrees every day. So it'll be nice to get to some cooler temperatures tonight. We have something crazy on the menu tonight.
Salmon pasta.
Salmon pasta. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Wow.
Did you guys know that trees could poop? How else would we get number 2 pencils?
For anyone wondering, as awesome as my 4Runner looks, and as much as I love this thing, it drives like complete shit. Biggest reason being my suspension. Suspension is so bad. Everything on this thing is so crapped on and needs to be replaced. But the problem is it is way too expensive to replace. At least, you know, right now for me, I can't afford it. So hopefully I can fix it in the future and I can keep making this thing way cooler because I have a lot of plans for this 4Runner, but I do not have the funds to do that right now.
I guess we'll pull shots out the window too.
Oh yeah.
Hi, this is Zion Hinckley, and welcome to my Major League Baseball audition.
Yeah. Peace. Oh, that felt so good. That was pretty cold though, but.
Hi, and welcome to episode 1 of Bill Zai the Zion's Zai. Today, we're going to be smashing these 4 plums and seeing what happens. They are molding and decrepit. Here we go. Ew. Ew.
Ew.
Ew, I think they're dates actually. Ew. And there you have it, folks. They smashed. What's up? Oh, it talked back.
You are so pretty. There we go. Thanks. Thank you. We lucked out with tonight's spot, to say the least. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Wow. This is amazing. We are completely secluded, and I couldn't be more happy. We got the tent all set up, and sun is just beginning to set. We've just been enjoying the view and hanging out for a little bit now. I'm just happy to be here, let me tell you. Living in the desert for the summer is kind of terrible. I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking to move. I'll be there for another year or so, and I'm ready to get out. Maybe move into the Pacific Northwest. If you have any recommendations or you live there, let me know your thoughts on it. But anyway, being up here is such a nice breeze. Like right now it's 70, 65 degrees versus 90, 100. So yeah, we're just gonna soak in the beautiful weather and views up here. I'll show you around a little bit more and then we'll get dinner going here. Dinner tonight is going to be a salmon pasta that I've never made. We're trying another new recipe tonight. Hopefully it doesn't go like last time and it's actually good. Following another recipe. This time, I'm confident in it. We'll see how it goes. I don't cook salmon often though. Somebody recommended on my last video that I cook Italian. I don't know what this classifies as, but we're calling it Italian tonight. I think with the skin, you cook it with the skin on and then you remove the skin, if I'm correct. The goal is to just make a better dinner than last episode, because that sucked. I'm not gonna lie. We have to make all of these fit in the freaking pan. See how that goes. Alright, there we go. Onion. Some sun-dried tomato. All of it, actually, pretty much. Oh, that smells good. Damn. Perfect. Heat off. Got a little pasta water actually in here. It's plenty. It's gotta. Alright people, I've sampled the pasta. This might be the best thing I've ever cooked out of my 4Runner. This is insane, and it's time to put it all together. So, we have our beautifully done salmon, which Zion peeled all the skin off nicely.
Let's see.
But you throw it all in there. Wow, we definitely got enough salmon, I think. Throw it all in there. Crunch it up. Oh my gosh, these colors look great. Oh, that's a lot of pasta. Shit. Whoa, what's going on here? Alright, we have a portion of pasta that's not cooked. Alright, to the mouth. Just the two of us. Alright, people, there you have it. Salmon pasta. I don't know the official name.
A la mode.
A la mode. I hope this looks as good on the camera as it does in real life, because we haven't eaten for like 8 hours, and I'm gonna tear this pasta up right now. I'm not even kidding. When you have food that's like damn good camping, it's so much better. There's like a multiplier when you're out in the woods. Like if I made this at home, I'd be like, damn. I make it out here and I'm like, damn. You know?
You know?
Alright, let's kill this.
I guess you guys can watch me have my first bite too.
You're not grass in your hair.
Probably have twigs in my hair too. I was laying over there on the mountainside. Alright, hello everyone and welcome to
Okay, here we go.
man-eating cosmic brownie in one bite. Can she do it? I don't know.
For an update, everyone, we finished the pasta and it was ridiculously good. I would say it holds top 3 place for the best thing we've ever cooked out of my car. And I would like to know something else we should cook that you think can beat it.
You know,
So,
it can be our car.
our car. Anyway,
It can be our car.
it's time for dessert and Zion wants to take down a whole brownie in one bite. Here she goes. Dude. I don't know about that. Alright, Zion loses the challenge. I could easily smoke her on that, just so you're aware.
Going out then.
I'm okay. I'll take nibbles.
No,
but
going out then.
I think nobody doubts that I could win. Dude, yeah. Go sit down. I appreciate the effort, but just so everyone's aware, that does not count. Welcome to Clean Up with Jens while Zion sits behind the camera eating her brownie off her hand. This is a portable little, I don't know, but I use it as a sink. For now, it's the dirty dish carrier, so flop it right into that. I think that's all of our dirty dishes. It wasn't too bad tonight.
Wait.
So, okay, this is a very real question for you guys who are actually watching to this point of the video. My question to you guys is, do you enjoy more of the cinematic videos or more of like the super real vlogs of just Jen's being me, doing my shit with my girlfriend on my own or whatever I'm doing, camping out of my car and doing my adventures? So please comment down below.
IRL or VLOG.
There you go. Maybe a mix of both, whatever you think.
Whatever you think, and here's the sink.
Dude, nice.
Right?
Because I understand, as somebody who watches YouTube a lot on his own, there's definitely a nice mix of like watching really cool, pretty things that are nice to the eye. But I also really appreciate just watching someone be themselves and, I don't know, show their personality online. Because it's not easy all the time, and it's a lot funner to connect with. So I want to hear your guys' opinion. I'm happy to do either. All right. Zion is currently winding up our lights for the night, everyone.
So you just pop out this little thing.
Nice.
Watch this, people. This is how great I am at rolling up things.
And there she goes. Beautiful.
Look at that.
Nicely
Look
done.
at that, people.
Right. We're gonna wrap up our night here. I'll see you up in the tent. We're probably gonna hang out and just enjoy the stars for a bit because they're crazy tonight. I still haven't figured out how to film astrology, or what's the word?
Stars.
I have not figured out how to film stars yet at this point of my life. So
Or these
once I figure it out, you'll see them. But for now, no stars, and I'll see you up in the tent. DJ's on. Holy shit, it's cold!
Burn.
It's so cold. Safe to say, this is the coldest night I've spent in my tent in a long time. And I'm freezing my nuts off, but I'm having a great time. Because normally I'm sweating them, and this is a lot better any day of the week. So we're going to bundle up and go to bed, and we'll see you in the morning. Because I have a generator this time that's charged, so I can charge my batteries and film in the morning and see what else we get up to. So anyway, thanks for watching to this point if you have. And
J-Dog out.
This is J-Dog out. See you in the morning.
Hi, everybody. Good morning.
Morning.
Everybody. Morning. I threw up last night 4 times. It was awesome. And the weather was great. It was really cold and comfy.
It was amazing. Besides that, it was a great night. I'm thinking she got food poisoning or something from that food.
Well, yeah, Jen's put poison in it when I wasn't looking.
Maybe. No. But the salmon was in my freezer for like a month. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but yeah, Zion didn't do too well last night. But we still had a wonderful time. Beautiful cold. It was cold last night, like 30s, almost freezing, and it felt amazing. I can't wait for some more winter camping soon. But yeah, we decided we didn't want to make a real breakfast. We're not that hungry because we ate so much last night.
And I threw up so much last night, so...
Yeah. So just coffee.
No matter how bad last night was, today we get to explore again.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go check out more of the canyon and maybe do a hike or something, but I don't think I'll film much more, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. So if you made it to this point, thank you for watching. Me and my girlfriend go on our camping adventure. It was a blast. See you in the next episode. Peace!